Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then just scroll down and look for the delete account button. And to do that, you need to log in. And then if you want to confirm it, then just click on the continue to delete my account button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.